How do I sort in Excel? There's some very simple sorts, and we're going to do two of those today. I have this spreadsheet, and in one of the columns are the manufacturers, and I want to sort my spreadsheet by the manufacturer alphabetically. So the manufacturer is in column C, so I'm going to click somewhere in column C, and then we go up to the icons. We've got A to Z, sort A to Z, or lowest to highest. Below would be Z to A and highest to lowest. So we're going to click A to Z. So now it sorts your spreadsheet by the manufacturer alphabetically. Now keep in mind, you don't want to highlight column C and then click the icon. It gives you a warning message because what would happen is the column C would sort and everything else would stay put, which would make your Excel spreadsheet incorrect. You never want to highlight one column in the middle of a spreadsheet and sort and everything else goes out of whack. So let's cancel that. Another way we can sort is, let's say I want my manufacturer to be sorted alphabetically and then their items alphabetically within that group. So we want to highlight our whole spreadsheet, including the header, and then you want to go to sort. So the first thing I want to sort by would be manufacturer. The next thing I want it to sort by is item, so I'm going to add a level. Item. They're both sorting A to Z. My data has headers, boxes checked because I do have a header. You don't want your header to sort within the rest of the spreadsheet. You want it to stay where it is. You say OK. And then now you have your manufacturer is sorted by alphabetically, and then within the manufacturer their items are sorted alphabetically. There you have it, two simple sorts. Our next sorting video will be on custom sorting.